Hello friends, in this video I am discussing rise and fall method with the help of an example. The question is the following readings were taken with a leveling instrument. The instrument was shifted after 5th and 11th readings. Determine the RL of various points and the RL of first point is 100 meter. The readings were 0.485, 1.210, 1.635, 3.395, 3.775, 0.650, 1.400 and so on for different stations. So first we make a table. The table comprises of different columns. The first column indicates the stations, then the back side, intermediate side, foresight, rise, fall, reduce level and remarks. The back side is the first reading which is taken at any station. The foresight is the last reading taken at any station, and the intermediate sides are the readings which are taken between backside and foresight. In the given question, the instrument is shifted after 5th and 11th reading, so these are our change point. Let us write the readings at various stations. For station 1, the first reading is backside which is 0.485. Then the station is shifted after 5th reading. Therefore, second, third and fourth readings were intermediate sides and the 5th reading is foresight. So at station 2 the reading is intermediate side IS, that is 1.210. Then at station 3 1.635 is again our intermediate side. Then at station 4 3.395 our intermediate side reading. Now the fifth point is our change point. Instrument was shifted after 5th reading, so 5th reading is our foresight and the point is our change point 1. So the reading 3.775 is our foresight. Now at change point we take foresight and backside also. So the next reading, which is 0.650, is our backside. After this, the next reading, which is 1.400, is IS. Then 1.795 is again IS. Then 2.575 is again our intermediate side reading. The reading 3.375 is also our intermediate side reading. Then our 11th reading 3.895. This is the 11th reading which is taken. After 11th reading the instrument was shifted. Therefore this reading becomes foresight. So the reading 3.895 is foresight and this is our change point. Then at the change point we take backside 2. Therefore 1.735 becomes backside. After this, the next reading is IS 0.635 and the last reading, which is 1.605, is our foresight. Now we have to take difference of two consecutive readings, and if the difference is positive, we write the values in the column of rise, and if the difference is negative, we write that value in the column of fall. The reduced level of first station is also given, which is 100 meter. RL of first point, that is benchmark. Benchmark is that point whose reduced level is known. So the RL of first point is 100. Now VS minus IS, that is 0.485 minus 1.210 is negative. So we write this value in fall. Then 1.210 minus 1.635 is again negative value, that is 0.425. We write this value in the fall column. Then the next value, that is 1.635 minus 3.395 is 1.760. Then we have to subtract 3.395 and 3.775. So the difference of 3.775 and 3.395 is again negative. So we write this value in the column of fall. Then 0.650 minus 1.4 400 is again negative. So the value is 0.750. Now 1.400 minus 1.795 is minus times of 0.395. Then 1.795 minus 2.575 is minus times of 0.780. Then 2.575 minus 3.375 is minus times of 0.800. Then 3.375 minus 3.895 it comes out minus times 0.520. Then 1.735 minus 0.635, this value comes positive. Therefore, we have to write this value in the column of rise. 1.735 minus 0.635 is 1.100, and the last reading, that is 0.635 minus 1.605, it comes out negative, which is 0.970. Now we have reduced level of station 1. To find the reduced level of all the other station, we have to simply add the values if it was written in the rise column to the reduced level of previous station, and we have to subtract the values from the reduced level of previous station if the values are written in the column of fall. So the reduced level of station 2 is 100 minus 0.725 because the value is written in column of fall. So 100 minus 0.725 is 99.275. Then 99.275 minus 0.425 is 98.850. Then 98.850 minus 1.760 is 97.090. Then 97.090 minus 0.380 is 96.710. Then 96.710 minus 0.750, 95.960, 95.960 minus 0.395, 95.565. Then reduced level of station 8 is 95.565 minus 0.780, 94.785. Then reduced level of station 9 is 94.785 minus 0.800, 93.985. Then 93.985 minus 0.520 is 93.465. Now we have to add 1.100 to 93.465 to find out the reduced level at station 11. So 93.465 plus 1.100 comes out 94.565 reduced level of station 11, and the reduced level of last station 12 is 94.565 minus 0.970, that is 93.595. There is a check for this method. The check is the difference of the summation of backside and foresight is equals to the difference of summation of rise and fall, which is equal to last RL minus first RL. Let us check. The summation of backside is 2.870. The summation of foresight is 9.275. Summation of rise 1.100. Summation of fall is 7.505. The first RL is 100 and the last RL is 93.595. So first summation of BS minus FS. So 2.870 minus 9.275 is minus 6.405. Then rise minus fall, summation of rise minus fall, this is minus 0.6405, it is 1.100 minus 7.505, comes out minus 0.6405. Then the last RL 93.595 and the first RL 100. The difference of 93.595 and 100 is minus 6.405. All these three values are equal. So this is the check for this method. Thank you. Please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.